Hey, what's up? Axie Infinity in last 24-hour Axie Infinity condition is not good because all crypto market in this time, my friend, not comfortable. Just only Shiba Inu will pumps up. Otherwise, all cryptocurrency were very badly fails down. So Axie Infinity were also fails down. The price is pumps down to 1.125.858 USD dollar to 118 USD dollar. This is very bad fail, my friend. You can see here. I think they will fails down 7 USD dollar. They will lost now just in only in last 24 hours. You can see here, my friend. So 7 USD dollar they will lost in last 24 hours. But if we check out, my friend, in last 7 days chart, so in last 7 days you can see here they will lost now, my friend. You can see here they, I think they will fails down something 30 USD dollar, my friend. They were fails down. So this is really bad fail, my friend. But don't worry. I hope they will easily recover this all loss just in only in 1 to 2 days, my friend. But therefore we will need to hold now. Absolutely, after the mid of month every coin will form up. So therefore I hope, my friends, to Axie Infinity will also starting pumping up. As you can see, my friend, minus 20.47%. Absolutely, if they will just only get 10% profit, so I hope they will recover it at the end of this month. This all fails. But if they will get 20% profit, so congratulations, my friend, they will hit now 2 USD dollar, 200 USD dollar. So therefore, my friend, absolutely, if you want to get a profit, you will need to hold down. I hope, my friends, if you hold, so they will give you a very good profit. My prediction is 100% going positive. And what's your opinion, my friend? Please share it in a comment box. And my friend, yes, this is very important for all new holders of Axie Infinity. If you want, my friends, to invest for a long time, I think Axie Infinity is very good coin. But if you invest for a short time, you will be need to be active and every time. And my friend, you will be need to very expert now. So therefore please try to understand. If you are not expert, so therefore you will need to invest for a long time. Thanks for watching Axie Infinity holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.